Hey there, let's see how to set up store credit payout for affiliates for your Shopify store affiliate program using Afflr. After logging into your Shopify admin dashboard, access the affiliate marketing application on the left-hand side. Once you are here on the Afflr dashboard, navigate to the Settings section at the top. On the Settings page, select the Payment section on the left side. Scroll down to find the Store Credit section, where you can offer affiliates store credits for future purchases. To enable this, toggle the button next to it to On. After doing so, you can set up minimum payout threshold under the Minimum Payout Threshold feature. Affiliates or referral partners are eligible for payout only after meeting the minimum threshold amount. You can choose to inherit from global settings or set a specific threshold for this payment method. If you opt for the latter, enter the desired amount in the box. You can allow affiliate referral partners to convert their balance into store credits from the affiliate portal, which is enabled by default. Deselect it if not needed. You can also define store credit validity in days by checking the checkbox beside it and specifying the number of days it will be valid according to your needs. In the Mail Instructions section, embed instructions for your Notify When Payout is Processed template. This message will be incorporated directly within the email template layout using the Mail Instruction shortcode. Enter your message according to your needs. Once finished, click the Save button on the right side of the section. That's it. The store credit setting is now enabled, allowing affiliates to use store credits for future purchases. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.